So what if the biggest thing standing between your next big idea and your next big launch is a single 3D model? Your product is ready, your marketing plan is ready, your launch date is locked, and you're still waiting on a 3D model quote that won't come back for another week from a freelancer who's already asked for 2 rounds of revisions. Sound familiar? For most founders and studio leads, this isn't a one-time delay. It's the recurring bottleneck that quietly stalls launches, blows through the runway, and pushes roadmaps back a quarter at a time. Hello and welcome to the Dinis Guarda Business ABC series, and today I will be exploring Neural4D, an AI-powered creative platform developed by DreamTech, offering a full suite of generative tools including text-to-image, text-to-video, text-to-3D, image-to-3D, AI texture, AnimeArt with face tracking, and more. Here's the uncomfortable truth about 3D content today. A single game-ready character can cost anywhere from a few $100s for something simple to 5 figures for a fully rigged, high-detail asset. Scale that across a real product catalog, and even a small indie studio is budgeting $5,000 to $20,000 just on 3D assets before a single line of gameplay code is written. It's not just cost, it's time. Studios routinely spend dozens of hours per asset. Modeling, retopology, UV mapping, texturing, rigging, for something a player sees for 3 seconds. And it's not only gaming. E-commerce brands without 3D product visualization are quietly leaving money on the table. Shopify's own data shows merchants who add interactive 3D models see conversion rates jump by up to 40%, and in high consideration categories like furniture, spikes as high as 94%. Meanwhile, businesses without it eat higher return rates from customers who expected something different. The bottleneck isn't ambition, it's production capacity. So what if you could compress that entire pipeline model, texture, export into minutes without a 3D team? This is Neural4D Studio by DreamTech, a cloud-based AI 3D creation platform powered by its new Direct 3D S2 architecture, delivering faster, higher fidelity 3D generation with production-ready meshes and PBR textures, all directly in your browser. Powered by this latest architecture, Neural4D delivers up to a 300% speed improvement over the previous generation, with mini assets generated in under 90 seconds. Take image to 3D, upload a single product photo, and in seconds you have a rotatable, PBR textured 3D model, export ready in .obj, FBX, GLB, or .usdz. For a founder building a Shopify store, that's the difference between one static photo and an interactive product page that keeps shoppers on page 20% longer and converts dramatically better. Prefer to start from imagination instead of a photo? Text to 3D turns a written description into a physical or digital shape, ideal for indie developers prototyping a boss character or architecture student mocking up a structural concept without touching CAD software. Then there's AI 3D Agent Neural4D's newest addition. Describe what you need in plain language, attach a reference image, or tag an existing asset with @ and the agent routes you straight to the right workspace with a finished result waiting. No menus to hunt through, no settings to configure. Another powerful addition is AI-assisted editing. Simply select any part of your 3D model and describe the changes you want in natural language. Neural4D intelligently refines the geometry while preserving clean topology and a consistent artistic style, making iterations much faster than traditional editing workflows. Beyond static models, Neural4D also supports 4D animation and dynamics, allowing creators to generate animations, physics simulations, and cinematic camera movements that bring scenes and characters to life with minimal effort. For a professor teaching a product design course, that means students go from concept sketch to a printable STL file in one class period, not one semester. For a startup founder validating a product idea, it means a pitch deck with a real spinning 3D render instead of a placeholder image. For anime creators and VTubers, the upgraded AnimeArt feature can transform 2D artwork into expressive 3D characters with face tracking support, enabling real-time facial animation for interactive content. Neural4D also includes a concept 2D creative space where creators can generate concept images, storyboards, thumbnails, and even AI-generated videos before seamlessly converting those ideas into 3D assets, all within the same workflow. Neural4D Community turns every shared asset into a starting point. Browse thousands of community-generated models, images, and videos, and hit Recreate. The original prompt and settings load instantly, so your team remixes from an accurate baseline instead of a blank canvas. For an agency serving multiple clients, that's a shared asset library that compounds in value with every project. Neural4D even offers a free plan, making it easy to start experimenting before upgrading to one of its pro plans as your projects grow. Try Neural4D, link in the description.